Hi everyone. Welcome back to our English grammar series. We're learning prepositions one by one, with simple explanations and real-life examples. In our last class, we explored the usages of the prepositions in, on, and at. Now, we're continuing with to and into in this session. As we mentioned before, prepositions are words that show the relationship between a noun or a pronoun and other parts of the sentence. They help us talk about direction, location, time, relationships, and more. So, let's begin with the preposition to. Preposition to, full usage. 1. Direction or movement. This shows movement toward a place or person. She went to the store. He ran to his friend. 2. Giving or transfer. It shows the receiver of something. I gave the book to John. Send this message to her. 3. Time range. To describes the endpoint in a time period. The class is from 9 to 11. We worked Monday to Friday. 4. Comparison or limit. Used to show comparison or an upper limit. This is similar to that. The water rose to my knees. 5. Purpose or intention. Shows the goal or purpose of an action. I came to study. He goes to swim every morning. 6. Relationship. It shows a personal or social connection. She is married to a doctor. This belongs to me. 7. Reaction or feeling. Used when expressing emotional responses or reactions. He apologized to me. I'm grateful to my teacher. Now let's look at the preposition into. Preposition into, full usage. 1. Movement to inside. Shows motion from outside to a point inside something. She walked into the room. The cat jumped into the box. 2. Change or transformation. Used when something changes its form, condition, or identity. The caterpillar turned into a butterfly. He got into trouble. 3. Impact or forceful entry. Shows collision or sudden movement inside. He crashed into the wall. The car slammed into a tree. 4. Involvement or interest. Used when someone becomes involved in, or interested in something. She's really into music. I'm getting into photography lately. 5. Division or parts. Used when separating or breaking something into smaller parts. Cut the cake into pieces. Divide the class into 4 groups. And that's all for today's class on to and into. Keep practicing with examples of your own, and don't forget to watch the previous lesson, if you missed, in, on, and at. Thanks for learning with us.